Hey guys, welcome to Canvas Etc. Today we're featuring our Army Duct waxed canvas. It's a really popular product and it's in the industry it's become a pretty big hit. Canvas Etc. we stock a whole range of colors, I think over 20 colors, and we do it in an Army duct and a shelter tent duct. It's coated with a canvas, wax, really popular product on our website. You can see from our reviews we've got a lot of repeat customers. Stock a whole range of colors, a couple of different weights. The product is used for backpacks, saddlebags, luggage, adventure packs, a number of other outdoor gear, even jackets. If you go on our website, you can look at a lot of pictures that our customers have posted on there of what they made with these products. Water repellent clothing. It doesn't breathe as well because it's got a wax on it. It's about 58 to 60 inches wide. But the basis weight is about 10.10 ounces. That's the fabric weight itself. It's finished to about 14 ounces per square yard. The whole idea of this fabric is when you crunch it up, it does leave those creases and marks on there, and that's what people love about it because it's got that worn look. It's got the distressed, worn look that people, it's trending right now in the industry, in the textile world, so that's intentional. We sell this usually by the yard and it's folded, so when it comes to you, it already comes with these creases or the distressed look. People do want it on a roll, so they pay the extra fee to get it on a roll. You can see the selvage. It's a lino selvage, which means it has a few hairs hanging off, but usually people hem that or they even trim it off. And you do have some pin marks at the selvage on both sides. This is because the machine pulls the fabric in to add the wax to it. That's normal, that's industry standard, so that's not a defect. So let's do our tear test. 1010 Army Duct is a pretty strong fabric to begin with, but sometimes when it's treated with a wax, it may lose some of its strength. As you can see, if you cut it on the yarn, it tears right on the yarn itself. It's got a nice soft hand to it, easy to sew. Now we're going to do a quick water repellent test. This is water repellent. Army Duct is tight weave fabric, and with the wax finish, it is pretty water repellent. Water beads initially on there and it will roll right off, but this will wet through pretty quickly. As you can see, it's already starting to wet through because it is cotton. If your product is at an angle and water sprays on it, it's going to bead right off and fall right off. If water, as you can see, at an angle, water beads off and falls right off. If water puddles or sits on it, it's eventually going to wet through pretty quickly. Next, let's do the flame retardant test. This product is not flame retardant. We do offer Army Duct products that are flame retardant for tent applications and other applications that require flame retardancy. Oh, shit. Not flame retardant. The phone goes off, everything goes off. As you can see, that's not flame retardant.